Hi, Sam here with Refrigerator Trim Kits, and in this video I wanted to share a little bit about installation. It's a pretty general, generic video just describing how the kits are installed. Each kit comes with its own unique installation video that's in-depth, walks you through that process. But I wanted to share with you just a little bit about installation, hopefully to put your mind at ease and let you know how simple it is to install it. So during installation, the refrigerator is pulled out so you can access the sides of the trim kit. So you're going to pull the refrigerator out, or obviously if it's new construction, refrigerator is not going to be in there. But this top piece goes in first, and so you're going to install the top piece using a little lip that's on the back of it. It just takes some screws to install that, and then the side pieces go in after that, and they go in using some screws just into the side of the cabinet. So that's really, again, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. A few basic tools, nothing too complicated. And again, each trim kit has a unique installation video that accompanies it that will help walk you through that. So if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. Email works best. Support@refrigeratortrimkits.com. Thanks.